really, how good's this? To be back home, you'd have to pay a fortune to go mooching about the countryside. And all we get is little green hills, man. We're in jungles here. In jungles on a little scooter. You couldn't write this, people. Awesome, man. Yeah, cracking little spot for the hammock. I'm going to put that up now, have a bit of dinner, and yeah, try and fly the drone. Woohoo! Right, here we have the Hennessy Deep Jungle XL. I've just got off me paracord. Always keep a bit of paracord and a knife in there. Yeah, well, this is ideal for what I need it for out here, because there's thousands of little mosquitoes and so on, and yeah, I need to stop them biting us, right? Yeah, the two trees, perfect. So, what I've pre-made up back home in the UK was 2 tree huggers. These are perfect, these. I've got the D-rings as well, 25 kilonewtons, 25 ton each. Nice set of crabs, carabiners, quick release. A lot of people don't go for the gated ones, the locking mechanism, just go for the gated, but I prefer these. And these are, yeah, 25 kilonewtons. So that'll do me. We'll put these to the trees and yeah, get the hammock up. Okay, so that one is wrapped round twice. Nice choke on that bottom rung. Like I said, D-rings fully tightened up, because you only get half your strength, believe it or not, if you leave them open. This one I can only get round singly. But you get the picture, people, you get the picture. Absolutely love this ship, mate. It looks like a snake. That's got a snake skins on. It looks like a snake. That's why they must call it a snake. Right, let's get this up. So, quick and easy way out to do this. Just basically, you're following the two, with your main line, following the 2 D-rings round, back down, through the single D-ring, and at the back. Go to the back of the loop. Pull tightly. There we go, watch. There you go, that's the hammock coming up. Can't go anywhere. Nice choke hold on it. What I intend to do, once I get the hammock nice and taut and at the right angle, then I'll just double knot that up and tie it round. I just pull the snake skins back a bit so you can see what we're doing. Love them snake skins, they're awesome. Right, same again, go on. Move down. But you guys, people don't need to get it. Yes. And there we have already on Hennessy hammock. Right. Let's sort the angle out. We'll get in that and try it out. Right, there we have the Hennessy hammock up, the jungle hammock, at a nice 30-degree angle, would you say? How do I know that? I don't. I think it's a load of bollocks. If you feel good in your hammock, lay in it. Occupied, unoccupied. That'll do me. I'll fall asleep in there. No problem. Okay, hammock up. Right, I'm just going to show you my little setup. like I say, we're waiting for the big bike, we're waiting for the big Honda, not Honda, I keep on saying Honda, because I've got an Honda Forza 350. We're waiting for the Yamaha Tenere, the 2022 model, or the Rally Raid. But until then, I'm not going to sit at home doing that. I want to try and get this channel up and running, and just show you the adventures of Thailand on a bike. Yeah, I've ordered some stuff from abroad, believe it or not, one from the States, a couple of things from Italy, from a company called Motorstorm. And once that comes, I'll do a little review of them and I'll show you how about purchasing if you're in Thailand or Southeast Asia, and a few little tips on how to save on tax, out of duty tax. But we're just waiting for them. I ordered them 6 days ago, so they should be here in the next 2 days, fingers crossed. Right, I'll turn the camera around. And this is what I'm doing most of my adventures on until this bike arrives. Yeah, you've seen it all before. It's the Forza 350 belt driven Honda. Honestly, it's a great little bike. It shouldn't be doing all the slots. It's a scooter at the end of the day, and I've just rode it all the way through that bloody forest there. Well, it's not a forest, is it? It's a jungle. And we've come down here on the backside there. We've got to get out. I'm going over there later, but them little wheels, them little 17-inch wheels might struggle. But yeah, it's doing me. Why I'm sitting on my ass at home, I need to get the bike out. And look at this, I've just bought this here and it's done the job. It's a nice little cool box from Big C. So get my bottle of water in there, a nice bit of fruit, all the ice cubes. And that's been 2 hours now. 2 hours of ice cubes have been in there, and it's red hot. Honestly, it's in its 30s, and that's ice cold. That's what you want, people. That's what you want. Bottle of water, ice cold. Right, I want to get chucked into that fruit. Let me just have a look. What is that fruit? Yeah. So we've got mango, star fruit, them little, they're gorgeous, them little pears. And yeah, I'm going to get tucked into them now. And we get the drone up, because we haven't had much of the drone footage lately. That's what it's all about. So all these little days now are just experimenting, get my kit together, ready for these little expeditions, what we're doing. So stick with me and yeah, come on that journey. What a setup that is. Love it. Just look at that. Honestly, you do not get this variety fruit nowhere at home. That's quality. Bit of mango. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these little things here. Like apple pears. I haven't got a clue what to call them. Anybody who knows what them are, leave a comment in the box below. Tremendous. Right. I'm going to eat this. Have half an hour, like you do. That's what the mammocks are for. Lovely. Cheers. I'm not going to take my shoes off, so Rami. Just have a little hour like this.